Without CPR, it is commonly accepted that brain damage can occur within 4 to 6 minutes of cardiac arrest. When performed correctly, CPR sustains vital blood flow to the brain and organs until professional help arrives. Did you know that, according to the American Heart Association, early CPR and automated external defibrillator use can double or triple a person's chances of survival? Cardiac arrest happens when changes in the heart's regular electrical activity make it stop beating suddenly. The heart stops pumping blood to the body and brain. Recognizing cardiac arrest is the first step in saving a life. Look for unresponsiveness, abnormal or no breathing, absence of a pulse, loss of consciousness. The cardiac arrest chain of survival, the steps that must be quickly taken to maximize the potential for survival, focuses on early recognition and response, immediate CPR and prompt automated external defibrillator use. This should be followed by advanced care and post-cardiac arrest treatment.